The Alvis Car Company was started in Coventry in 1919 by naval architect T.G. John. John was a talented engineer but also a shrewd businessman, and from the beginning he wanted to produce high quality automobiles with individual coachwork. Visionary engineer Captain Smith Clark joined Alvis as chief engineer in 1922, and during the 20s and 30s Alvis became great innovators. We were the world's first car manufacturer to design a front-wheel drive racing car. And in 1928, Alvis entered 2 front-wheel drive cars at Le Mans. They finished 6th and 9th overall and came first in the 1.5 litre class. Soon after, we designed and manufactured the world's first all-synchromesh gearbox. Before long, we had a reputation for producing hand-built cars with impressive performance and stunning good looks. The late 1930s saw an expansion, and we turned our engineering expertise to the manufacture of aero engines and military vehicles. In 1967, after 47 years, Alvis ended car production and relocated to our workshops just down the road in Kenilworth, where we remain today. We have records for every one of the 22,000 cars made, and our archives contain over 15,000 blueprints and drawings of all Alvis models. There are correspondence files for each of the owners going back to the 1920s, an archive of over 60,000 documents. Each year we collect over 200 cars for service or restoration from Alvis owners around the world. To ensure quality control, we do all the work in-house, which is important. That includes trimming, coach building, engine building and testing. We have a team of highly skilled Alvis trained technicians who pass on their knowledge and traditional techniques to our younger craftsmen, so we can continue to restore cars in exactly the same way as they were produced in our original factory.
For those wanting to sell an Alvis car, we offer a complete package where we collect the car, prepare it for sale, right through to delivering the car to the new owner. Our policy is to make the whole process hassle-free. Being the marque specialists, we know what's important, and being exclusively Alvis, we're able to offer the very best range of Alvis cars for sale. Every car we offer for sale undergoes a 72-point check in our workshops, which provides a current condition report, and from our works archives we can authenticate a car's provenance. We are the only people who manufacture genuine Alvis parts. We stock over 35,000 model fitments covering all cars from 1920 to 1967. We supply customers all over the world, all express delivered from our base in Kenilworth. Our experience, knowledge and extensive work archive ensure that every car has been checked and verified to our exacting standards.
Everything we do gives the customer peace of mind, like always providing a written estimate for approval before we start work on the car. All prices are fixed with no hidden extras, and our work comes with up to 3 years warranty. It all adds up to high quality at lower cost. Who better to restore your car than the people who made it?